how to use the Meals tab. Welcome to this child-friendly training video on navigating the Meals tab for administrators. Start by clicking the dashboard icon, then select the Meals tab. First, it's important to distinguish prohibited meals from standard allergies. These are specifically used when a child requires a full meal alternative, like a vegetarian option. Once configured in your center customizations, these prohibited meal type categories allow your cook to filter by type to determine exactly how many alternative portions to prep and deliver. This streamlines grocery shopping, reduces waste, and ensures teachers know exactly which children receive an alternative meal that day. You can even filter by enrollment to adjust portions for children not signed up for your meal service. Here, we see a child with pork and seafood listed as prohibited. This means they will receive alternative meals whenever these foods are served. The Adjustments column lets you check which children have meal services. Filter the meal section by group to see prohibited meals or meal services for specific children. Click the group drop-down arrow and select your desired group. We'll use whales as an example. You will now see only the children in the whales group. You can also filter by meal type by clicking the drop-down arrow beside prohibited meal types. This will display a list of children requiring an alternative meal for that type. Let's choose pork for this example. The list will show children who cannot have any pork meals on your menu and should receive an alternative replacement. The numbers at the top left indicate the total children allowed or prohibited from eating pork. You can filter further to see children who have signed up for meal services or other meal adjustments by selecting from the Meal Adjustments drop-down menu. This concludes our training video on navigating the Meals tab of the dashboard.